Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here with Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, today for our review, shoot, and rate, what are we looking at?
Today we're going to take a look at the new Gen 5 Glock 19.
Let's get to it.
Did you say out of Terre Haute, Indiana?
Yes!
Did you say...
Out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
Did you say high ground?
Your Glock 19 Gen 5 is going to be chambered in 9mm with a standard mag capacity of 15 rounds. Your barrel length is going to come in at 4.02 inches with an overall length of 7.28 inches.
A few noticeable differences you're going to find from the Gen 4 to the Gen 5. First and foremost, when you look at it, you're going to find that they've removed the finger grooves from the grip itself. They've also taken the mag well and they've flared it slightly for easier mag insertion when you're trying to do reloads. Additionally, they've beveled the front of the slide, which allows for reholstering slightly easier. The last noticeable difference you're going to find is that the gun does come equipped with an ambidextrous slide stop, so that's good for the left-handed folks out there as well. All right, Kylie, so with an MSRP of just under $700, you can find these out at retail for just a little over $500 typically. You haven't had a lot of experience shooting Glocks. What's your opinion of this particular one?
Overall, I really think it's a good gun. Even though they removed the finger grips from the Gen 4 to the Gen 5, it really has a good grip, which is a huge thing to me as far as feeling like I have control over the firearm.
Generally speaking, I like Glock. As a whole, one of the things I respect them for is they've kept their prices reasonably consistent throughout several years now. They've not really taken much of a price hike whenever all the other companies are taking these price hikes. So I commend them for that. You know, I know some of the bigger guys like the guns without the finger grooves.
And finger grooves suck. I'm saying it out loud.
I'm okay either way. I don't mind if they have them or don't have them. This one shot fine for me. I like it. I also own a Gen 4, so I don't know that I have a preference of one over the other. Now, if this one happens to hold tighter groups for me in the long run, I might be slightly more partial to it just for that reason alone. Now, on our scale of 1 to 5, based on value relative to price, where are you gonna put it?
I think I'll put it at a 4.
And you know what, I'm gonna be right there with her. I'll give it a solid 4. I absolutely love Glock. I think their price is great. I think their the quality of what they put together, and then just from past experience, besides shooting it today, I also happen to know that they are reliable and they are durable. So I'm gonna give it a solid 4 as well.
All right guys, thanks for watching our review, shoot, and rate today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the little bell down below for notifications.
Thanks as always, guys. Take care. Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Go Terre Haute! Terre Haute, it means high ground in French. Today we're gonna do pour, all right? Hey guys, Steve and Kylie, I wasn't calling her that before. He's gonna put it in the bloopers, and then everybody's gonna come out with all the hate mail because everybody thinks I was saying that to you. I wasn't saying it to her.
But he does.
It's just like a, sort of like a thing that happens to me sometimes. To name a few differences, to mention just a few of the changes they've made from the Gen 4 to the Gen 5.
That makes me so happy. I think overall with the Gen 5, it's really nice. It fits in my hand really well without your face. You're trying not to laugh.
I wasn't trying not to laugh, but I did. When you started talking, I felt myself as though I was talking, and normally what I would do when I would get ready to talk is I would do this. So as you were talking, I did this.